Hello student, this is Dr. Santosh Kumar at Department of Botany. In this lectures, I am going to discuss about Chlorella, belongs to family Chlorelaceae. It's about structure, reproduction and life cycle of Chlorella. A systematic question of Chlorella is a class Chlorophyceae. I already mentioned that while discussing about the classification of algae. These algae having green color and photosynthetic pigment like chlorophyll A is a major pigment, so hence its class under Chlorophyceae. Order Chlorococcyx, family Chlorelaceae and genus Chlorella. It's a green algae. It is included under the class of Chlorophyceae. So, the first name was coined by Peijenrip. He was named as a genus Chlorella. The genus algae is a cosmopolitan distribution. The most of the species occur in freshwater habitat such as pond, ditches and lakes. A few species living in brackish water on moist soil, walls and tree trunks. So Chlorella lichnea, this species is symbiont in lichens. Chlorella parasitica and Chlorella contrastic is a endozoite, that is in the body of the aquatic animals such as hydra, paramecium and sponges. This is about occurrence of Chlorella. There are 41 species. Among that, 4 species were found in India: Chlorella vulgaris, Chlorella contrasticus, Chlorella parasitica, Chlorella conglomerata. These are the species were found in India. As far as structure about Chlorella, it's a green algae, it's a freshwater algae. It is a globular in shape. It is a globular in shape. It's a microscopic. It's a unicellular algae. So it measures about 5 to 10 micrometer in diameter. The flagella are absent. It is a non-motile. There is no present in flagella. So hence it is called non-motile algae. What is what is meant by non-motile? Kaseida illada algae, possible. The cells consist of cell wall, middle plasma membrane and inner protoplasm. It presents cell wall, inner plasma membrane layers, and the cell is enclosed by mucilage layers. Below the mucilage layer, the cell wall is present. The cell wall consists of 2 layers. They are outer pectose layers and inner layers cellulose. Pectose layer and inner cellulose. The protoplasm consists of single large cup-shaped chloroplast. This is the cup-shaped single large chloroplast. The pyrenoid is present in some species. A single nucleus lies in cytoplasm. Only the single nucleus lies in cytoplasm. The nucleus is eukaryotic and haploid. The chloroplast is bound in 2 unit membranes separated by perifastial space. The chloroplast is surrounded by 2 membrane system. This is about and moreover the chloroplast is filled with the dense matrix that is called stroma. Each thylakoid organized few stacks. Each stack has 3 to 7 thylakoids arranged one above the other. This is about the structure of Chlorella. And then sexual reproduction method. It reproduces only means of asexual method by autospores. There is no sexual reproduction. The reproduction is carried out only sexual reproduction with the method of autospore. What is meant by autospore? Autospores are a kind of aplanospore that resemble the parent cell in their shape and structure. So, what is meant by autospore is a kind of aplanospore that are resemble to the parent cell in their shape and structure. The corolla is a haploid. This is the corolla of haploid. The protoplasm of mature vegetative cell divides mitotically. The mitotically divides into 2 to 4 and then 8 daughter protoplasm. In some cases, 16 daughter protoplasm may be produced. Each daughter protoplasm consists of nucleus and chloroplast. These protoplasm gets rounded and develop a thick wall around it and resulting daughter cells called a autospore. This is a single autospore. It is consists of one nucleus and chloroplast. It is surrounded by cell wall. This resulting as a daughter cells and is called as a autospore. At a favorable condition, it may release and form a chlorella, individual chlorella. This is the sexual method of chlorella by means of autospore. Next, the life cycles of chlorella. Chlorella is known as green algae. It is include the class Chlorophyceae. It is a cosmopolitan distribution. You know that the chlorella is unicellular and microscopic. So this is the chlorella in haploid nature. It reproduces by asexual method by means of autospore. That autospore is liberated and form a new chlorella. This is a complete life cycle will go on and continue on. This method is this is the graphical representation of life cycles of chlorella. And next, the economic importance of chlorella. The chlorella is a great economic importance and it is boon human society. Its important uses are, I will mention that below. That first, it's a used as a food. The chlorella is used as a human food. It contains 50% of protein, 20% of carbohydrate, 20% of lipids. So it's have highly nutritional value, especially protein. It is also contain essential oils, essential amino acids, and the dried biomass of chlorella as used as a SCP, that is called as a single cell protein. And then second economic importance is a vitamin. It is used as a vitamins. It's contain provitamin A, riboflavin, biotin, folic acid, vitamin K, etc. These are the important vitamins it has. And then it has used as a minerals. It composes of some minerals like iron, calcium. So these are some important minerals which are present in chlorella. And it is also used as a antibiotic. That antibiotic is called as a chlorellin. This drug is used to control the bacterial diseases. It is also used as a space travels. Chlorella is an efficient oxygen producer. It consumes carbon dioxide more rapidly, so it is used as space vesicles to absorb the carbon dioxide released by astronauts and to supply the enough oxygen for the respiration. So it consumes the carbon dioxide more and efficiently release the oxygen. So astronaut has used as a for respiration. Besides, it's form food for space travelers. So it's used as a space travelers. And also it is used as sewage disposals. It is introduced in oxidation bonds for sewage disposal. It releases oxygen in the sewage and aerate to sewage water. It is also used as a research tools for scientists. It grows rapidly in simple medium. It is used to study the respiration, physiology, nutrition, metabolism, photosynthesis, and biochemistry field. These are about the economic importance of chlorella. Thank you.